Okay, this is how you do one of these Eaton surge protectors as a flush mount kit. I've got an indoor panel right here, so I can't just, stub it onto the outside of the panel. I've got to do it indoor. I bought this kit right here, which is really just a metal plate. It was $45, kind of expensive, but the way I'm going to do this is I've got this PVC 1/2 inch adapter, and it's got a female connector on one side and then a male, and I just put a tiny little piece of 1/2 inch pipe in there to glue it together. So that's how I'm going to start. And then I'm going to come up here, I'm going to figure out which hole I'm going to come out of. Probably the hole right there or right there, so that this thing is right on the surface. I'm going to cut out a hole of the sheetrock and then have this come up one of those sides. And I'll put the plate on afterwards. Okay, so I got the hole cut in the wall, and when I put that in there, I just I put it in bottom in first, and then I brought it back up and got the conduit in there and put the lock ring on there. And since I've got that kit, I've got the ugly hole in the wall, but this $45 piece of metal should do pretty good after I get it screwed in. And that's pretty much how I did it. There's the finished product after it's installed. I was able to just didn't have to make extensions on these, ran them into the 50 amp breaker. I did have to make splice extensions to get all the way up here to the neutral ground bar in the main panel. But that's the finished project.